In this video, we will understand two important properties of exponents. Here's a very simple example that should clear your concept of the first property. Consider 2 multiplied by 3, the whole raised to 2. The base is 2 multiplied by 3 and the exponent is 2. Hence, it can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. That equals 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which can be written as 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 2. But a property of exponents tells us that it can be directly written as 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 2. We do not need to go through these steps. It's called the power of product property. It's called so since it's the product that is raised to some power. The product is the base. So if we have to generalize the property, we can write it as a multiplied by b, the whole raised to m, equals a raised to m multiplied by b raised to m. The parentheses in this formula are extremely important, and this term is read as a multiplied by b, the whole raised to m. This formula is satisfied provided a and b are not equal to 0. Because if any one of them is 0 and we have a negative exponent here, then the value will be undefined. That was our first property. To understand the second property, let's look at another example. 2 divided by 7, the whole raised to 2. That equals 2 divided by 7 multiplied by 2 divided by 7. That equals 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 7 multiplied by 7. And this can be written as 2 raised to 2 divided by 7 raised to 2. The second property says that it can be directly written as 2 raised to 2 divided by 7 raised to 2. And it again makes it simple as we do not have to perform many steps to reach our answer. This property is called the power of quotient property. It's called so since the base is a fraction. It will always have a numerator and a denominator. Once we understand a property, it is important to write it down in the general form. It can be written as a divided by b, the whole raised to m, equals a raised to m divided by b raised to m, provided a and b are not equal to 0. As in the previous property, the brackets here are extremely important, and this term is read as a divided by b, the whole raised to m. So if we have an example like 4 multiplied by 5, the whole raised to 7, it can be written as 4 raised to 7 multiplied by 5 raised to 7. We use the power of product property here since we have a product as the base. And if we have an example like 7 by 9, the whole raised to 3, that can be written as 7 raised to 3 by 9 raised to 3. Okay, here's a tricky one. What if we have a fraction like this? 6 raised to 9 by 7 raised to 9. Can we use the reverse of the law? Yes, this can be written as 6 by 7, the whole raised to 9.